7,000 verified customers rating this product. Simple to use, LCD display stitch selector. With the touch of a button, you'll select your stitch and then see the stitch you've chosen on the convenient LCD display screen. Easy threading, simply follow the number diagram printed on the machine, and you'll have your machine threaded in no time. Adjustable sewing speed. The stitch speed slide gives you control over how fast or slow you want to sew. Automatic needle threader. Just touch the lever on the side of the machine, and the CS6000i automatically pushes the thread right through the needle. Oversized table. Designed for quilts and other larger projects, the oversized table gives you the extra space you need to maneuver your project while you work. Easy to see, super bright work area. The brightly lit sewing area is especially useful when sewing on dark fabrics. Built-in free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, perfect for sewing sleeves, pant legs on children's clothing, and other smaller cylindrical items. Pros. Number 1. Long table. Number 2. Easy to use. Number 3. Able to sew leather. Number 4. Has a presser foot. Number 5. 25 years of a limited warranty. Number 6. Affordable. Number 7. Made with fine technology. Cons. Number 1. The thin throat of the machine. Number 2. Unresolved needling position. Number 3. Bob and vomit issue. If you want to know more about CS6000i Brother Sewing Machine, then go to www.computerizedsewingmachines.com. Post link in the description. Check it out.